First, search Hostinger on Google. Click on the Hostinger link. Go to Login. Fill ID and password and click on Login. Click on Manage. Again, click on Manage. Choose Website Name. Click on Domain. Click on Subdomains. Enter your subdomain name, e.g., blog. Click on Custom Folder for subdomain. Fill directory folder name, e.g., blog. After that, click on Create. Now your subdomain created successfully. Click on WordPress again, click on Dashboard. Select your subdomain name. Click on Install. Fill your website title. Fill administrator username. Fill administrator password. Click on Next. Select application version, recommended. Choose update schedule, recommended. Click on Install. Click on Edit Website. Click on View Posts. WordPress installation completed successfully.